Two brilliant sacrifice here and before resigns with whites here against round number 5 here. So between with number 2 by Grandmaster China Zhu with battle against with Grandmaster in India is Divya Deshmukh. So what do you think about the almost with 18 moves here and 85 moves? So let's see this one with play chess here. White against with number 2 Grandmaster in China, Zhu against black pieces with number 4 by Grandmaster India is Divya Deshmukh. So it means with 2 hours with single long game round robin here. So in this part of this video, ignore chess here and also have a analyze of the standings after round number 5. So before we start, so don't forget by game number 4 with chess face-to-face 2026 between me versus Reston. I will update with it within next week here from this one with playing chess face-to-face. Okay, so white plays Zhu is d4, d5 by Deshmukh, c4, e6 with queen's gambit decline, knight c3, knight f6, capture this pawn, takes, bishop g5 again. So without last round number 3 within Zhu and Jun versus Schujener, so it means against with bishop g5 here. And c6 with also with defense by pawns with Deshmukh, and also e3, bishop e7. So it is called by Queen's Gambit decline modern knight defense without defense here. Without bishop e7 by next of castling. So castling kingside they say next up is move. Bishop d3 by Jujiner here. Knight bd7 by Deshmukh and also knight f3 by next castling with Jujiner here. Knight f6, so this is a new move because knight f6 is a disappearance by book lines because novelty. So without all main lines with the 3 types here, so it means with h6, second castling, and also strong knight e4 with a jumping in here. So 3 types here. So with a fourth is novelty knight f8 with dash move, so disappearance by these book lines here. Bishop backwards h4 by this one with Jujiner here, and also knight h5. So it means, so why knight h5 by Deshmukh? Because the movement, so it means with diagonals with challenge by bishop to bishop. So this is a dark square here with openings with challenge by attacks the bishop here. And Jujiner is bishop captured, queen takes, and also castling, and also g6. So does not like of this computer engine. So movement by g6 by Deshmukh. So the one's computer is knight to g6 here before castling. So because the realize here, so this is a move of these controls here. So this is a good or advantage for blacks by Deshmukh here. So without back there, this one is g6 bad move by Deshmukh. And also e4 with attacks this pawn, capture this pawn, bishop captured, and also knight f6 with threatening the bishop here. Okay, so with the first guessing puzzle, what do you think with brilliant against with number 2 by Grandmaster Schuschner? Find brilliant sacrifice here. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much, share, and congrats for everyone. Is pawn to d5. What a brilliant. The brilliant pawns with number 2 by Grandmaster Zhu here. Takes with sacrifice, and another brilliant with number 2. Zhu is knight takes d5, another brilliant move. Because the knights with threatening the queens, and with black knights, this is a attacks here. So attacks the knights here. So another second brilliant sacrifice strong against with number 2 Schuschner. Knight captured by Deshmukh, queen takes here. Defense of this one with bishop, and also knight to e6 here. So what the ideas here, or maybe here by this one, I don't know what's the moves here with maneuver. So knight e6 here. So it means so but not yet ready by castling by Deshmukh. So realize here, so movement by this one with knights here. And also with Zhu is queen b5 check here. Good move with excellent queen d7 by challenge by queen to queen. Queen takes capture with check. So this is a bad move by Zhu Junior. So does not like of this computer. So the one's accuracy computer engine is queen to e5 here. So without threatening the rook. So it means so the realized simplifies castling. So if you castling kingside and also rook fd1 with threatening the queens here. With threats the queens here. And if queen c7 challenged by dark square queen to queen and accept by queen takes accepted, knight takes queen. So this is a good score advantage for whites here. So that whites way Schuschner here. Okay, so back there this one is queen takes accepted here, bishop captured, and also knight e5 attacks threatening the bishop backwards by bishop c8 by Deshmukh, rook ac1 and castling with Deshmukh, rook fd1 by Zhu, and also rook d8 with challenge by rook to rook, and covering bishop d5 so does not like of rook accepted. So in accept, why don't we try if you rook captured sir, why don't we rook d8 accepted here? Knight captured d8 and pawn b3. So this is a good for explanations for example. So slightly better. So bishop d5 so does not like of rook captured accepted covering the bishop. King g7 properly active by Deshmukh and also g3 with next of f4. So realize here, so this is a good move by provides here. Pawn a5 by Deshmukh here and also b3 with b3. So it means so after 1 hour and with 15 seconds, so realize is b3, so 52 seconds pa 52 minutes plus 25. So it means 1 hour, so it means 0 and 15 seconds here, and before that is 52 minutes plus 25. So almost by this one is focusing with number 2 by Schuschner here. So this is a realize here, so it means b3, king f6 here with threatening the knights, and f4 with defense the knights here, and also king e7 by Deshmukh. Wait, rook d2, rook d2. So realize with that idea with movement by battery and battery. So this is a next of battery here. And also rook b8, so this is a given bad move by Deshmukh. So another second bad move. So the best move this one is f6. f6 threatening the knights. If you knight c4 here, and also with rook a6. So this is a good score advantage here with blacks. So it means with defense of this one with knights here. So rook b8 by this one with Deshmukh, and also king f2. What a miss with number 2 Schuschner. Without accuracy, the best is knight c4. So this is a knight c4. It's a best move of this one with solutions here. So this is a good score, white's advantage. So without king f2 by this one with Schuschner, and also bishop d7 with realized by focusing by this one with Deshmukh here. So it means with light square by same by coloring bishop here. Battery rook cd1 by Schuschner, bishop backwards e8, and also knight c4. So look at the movement. So this is a late move by Schuschner here. And also a4 with threatening the pawns. Pushes by semi-close. So it means if you capture this pawn here, takes bishop captured threatening the rook. So without threatening the rooks here, and rook b1 with rook b1. So realize here, so this is a explanations for example. This is a good support provides here. So without back there, this one is b4 with pushes here, and also knight c7 by Deshmukh with threatening the bishop, Bishop f3, with opening by challenge by rook to rook. And accept by rook takes with dash move, rook takes, and also knight to e6, with knight e6 here. So this is a good focusing move by dash move. And also knight b6 by this one with Rushner. And also bishop c6 with light square with bishop and a3. So what do you think if your bishop captured accepted with light square here, and b takes captured with openings with rook threatening the knights with captured? So this is a captured here. If you knight captured here, so knight takes captured, and also rook captured pawn threatening the knights and knight b2. So this is a good score once of this computer engine here. So what that factor this one is pawn a3 here, h5 by dash move, and also rook d3 defense of pawns, bishop b5 threatening the rooks, and rook e3, rook d8. Oh, with rook d8, what a plus. Oh, rook, next rook d2 with check here. So this is a tempos attacks that check. King e1, so no more by rook d2. So no more rook d2 with more of king must be active here. And also king f8 by dash move, and also rook c3 by Zhu, knight d4 threatening the bishop, and bishop d1 by backwards, rook e8 check, king f2, and also rook e6, knight takes captured pawn, bishop captured challenged by bishop, bishop captured, and rook e2 check, good move, excelente, king f1, and rook captured pawn. So it means four same number of pawns here, the same number of pawns. So it means with bishop versus knights here with more of this one with continuations. So rook captured h2, rook d3 threatening the knights, and knight to f5 here by dash move, bishop d7 threatening the knights, and rook a2 with more controls here. With more controls with rook a2. So this is a second rank by this one with GM dash move. Bishop b5 here. So what I'll explain here, why don't we bishop captured knight here? G takes captured. White captured this one. So this is a damage by weak pawn structure here. So this is a realized by weak of this one with pawns. So it means bishop b5 by this one by Schuschner, and also pawn b6. So this is a cannot move against that with pawns here. So realize, so this is a continuation here. Bishop c4 threatening the rooks, and also rook c2 threatening the bishop, bishop b3 another threats the rooks, rook b2, pawn a4, and also h4 with threatening the pawns, captured, knight captured, and also pawn a5, captured, and also rook e1 check, king f2, rook a1 attacks the pawn a5, and also defends rook e5, knight to f5. With that idea, by next up with knight e7 with threatening the rooks here. So this is a threats. Bishop c4, rook a4, okay, with threatening the bishop. So the threats the bishop here. Bishop b5, controls by tempos by disturbance by rooks. Rook captured pawn. Oh, cannot move up this one. So cannot move up this one with bishop, so it means this pins the rooks here. So almost by 20 seconds by Zhu and 41 seconds by Dashmove, almost 9 seconds. So rook captured a5 and rook d8 check, king e7 threatening the rooks. Rook b8, so does not like of this rook b8 defense of bishop. So the correct move is defense rook d5 defense. So defense the bishop here. So this is a good score once of this computer engine. So it means rook b8, this is a does not one of this computer engine here. Rook e2 check, excelente, king f3, rook a3 another excelente by Dashmove, and king f2. So with the king f2 by movement here, rook c3, so this is a bad move. So does not like of rook c3 with that movement here. So we realize that the best is knight to d4 with threatening the bishop here. So this is a good for blacks here. So the back there, this one is rook c3. I think the butter is coming here. So rook c3 here, and also with rook b7 check, good move, and also king f8. So without properly active, so realize, so this is a good process here. So according by continuations here, and also rook e7. What the plans? With next of rook d2 with check here. So this is a controls by check, and also rook c2 with check. I forgot something. So this is a rook c2. So rook c2 check. I'm sorry I got forgot by this one with the realize the rooks here. So rook. So white rooks is this is a allies here by kings and rooks. I thought this one by rook c2 with check. Sorry I forgot something. So it means this is a rook provides here. So no more by this one with enemy. So rook allies the kings. So it means rook c2 check. I thought the wrong my notes here by discussing by this one with analyze here of these games. So rook c2 check, king f3, and also rook c3 check again, king f2, rook c5 with idea with threatening the bishop, with attacks the bishop here, and also bishop d3, knight e7, and rook b7, another bad move by Schuschner. So the best move this one is with bishop e4, bishop e4. So this is a good score advantage for whites here. So back there, this one is rook b7 by Schuschner here, and knight d5, good move. What the plans? With knight captured pawn, so threatening the pawns here. So it means threats the pawns and next up threatening the bishop here. So this is a continuous by this one by temples attacks. f5 attacks the pawns and g5. So it means, so if you capture this pawn here and also bishop captured here, so this is a good continuations by good examples. So back there, this one is g5 here, bishop e4 threatening the knights, and also knight f6 threatening the bishop. Backwards, bishop b1. Okay, bishop b1 here, and also king g7, king g3, rook c3 check, and also king g2, knight d5. What the plans? Knight next of knight f4 with check. So this is a next move by knight f4 by maneuvers. Rook a7, and also rook c7. So challenge by rook to rook. So this is a brand X move with dash move. So the best move this one is knight f4 check. What a miss here with dash move knight f4 is a realized by check. So the check here. So if you king f2 here, and also g4. So without more of this one without coming by g3 with check here. So this is a good score advantage for blacks by dash move. Rook c7 by challenged by this one by rook to rook. Avoided rook a6 bad move. So the best move this one is eating the accepted. Rook takes accepted. Knight takes rook, and also king f3. So this is a good score advantage for whites by Schuschner. Okay, so back there, this one is avoided rook a6 here, and also rook e7. What the plans? With rook e2. So it would have check here. So with a check here, and also king f3. So it means with no more by check here. So with no more by this one by rook. With rook this one. So it means rook e3 check, because the knights here. This is a here by knights. So knight was here. So for me, so the best move this one is with continuations is bishop a2. So it means with threatening the knights here. So this is a threat, so threat the knights here. So with rook a2. So if you rook e2 check, so it means check and traps the, I don't know what's the check. So if you check here, and also king f3, and also with more controls is one, this one is rook e5. So this is a good score advantage here. So without factor, this one is king f3, knight f6, bishop c2, rook c7, which attacks the bishop, bishop b1 backwards, rook b7, another threats the bishop, bishop c2, rook c7 again, bishop b1 again, rook c1 out, threatening the bishop. So rook c1 threatening the bishop, bishop d3, rook c3, another threats, king e2, knight d5. What the plans? Oh, with next up, this one with knight f4 with check and with traps the bishop here. So with traps here. Bishop backwards b1, rook b3. Oh, with threatening the with disturbance the bishop here. And also bishop e2 threatening the rooks. Knight c3 check. Oh, with check. So with check and traps the bishop here. So threatening the bishop. And also king f2 and another check by rook b2 check by dash move. With check and with threatening the bishop. So with next up knights with threats the bishop. So easy wins for blocks by this one by dash move here. And last shot king e3. So this is a end of this one with round number 5. So it means so decided by resigns by number 2 by Zhu Junior. So why she resigns? If a knight captured here with bishop, so one piece down and rook a5, so unstoppable. So it means wins for blacks here. So whites is game over. So oh my god, I thought win by Zhu Junior. So it means lose against with white pieces here. Okay, 88 score by Zhu Junior and the score 91.7 here. Okay, so let's see of this one with final result without women standings after round number 5. With a score of 8.5 by first by Grandmaster Divya Deshmukh here, and second by 8 points by with Grandmaster with his boyfriend by Chavasky is Bibisara Sabayeva, and third by 7 points by Grandmaster Anna Musichuk with sister of Maria Musichuk, and fourth by 5.5 by Grandmaster my favorite player Zhu Junior, and 5 points by Grandmaster by first women champion Ju Wenjun, and fourth by last 6th placer by Grandmaster Hampi Conero. Okay, so the next of Armageddon 7 with first open Swiss between Gukesh versus Wesley. So I will analyze this one with games. So I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logi 17 aka iCoolMark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of this next chess update. So don't forget by notification below bells. Mark Logi 17 part 1 with English speaking only, and Mark Logi 70 part 2 with Tagalog and Cebuanos here. So keep updates of this next chess updates, and good midnights here. Bye bye.